Is Bitcoin about to get even smarter? Can AI on the blockchain really compete with centralized models? And why are developers ditching big name platforms for decentralized solutions? Let's get into it. Before we start, if you would like to support Ledger Live, check out our wallet details in the description. Now let's start with the Internet Computer's Bitcoin Taproot upgrade. The Internet Computer's latest upgrade introduces Taproot support, bringing greater flexibility to Bitcoin smart contracts. This means canisters can now generate threshold Schnorr signatures that align with Bitcoin's BIP 340 standard, opening the door for more seamless cross-chain interactions. Developers can now create pay-to Taproot addresses that support both key path and script path transactions, improving security, privacy, and adaptability. Initially, canisters faced constraints. They could only choose one spending method per P2 address. Now, with key tweaking integrated into the Schnorr signing API, smart contracts have more control over transactions, making them more versatile than ever. This update enhances Bitcoin's integration into the Internet Computer ecosystem, allowing projects leveraging ordinals, BRC20, and other meta protocols to function more efficiently. As more developers tap into this upgrade, expect to see novel Bitcoin-based applications emerging, further bridging traditional crypto with decentralized computing. Beyond the technical benefits, this upgrade signals a major push towards making Bitcoin more programmable without compromising its decentralized nature. With smart contract capabilities expanding, Bitcoin is evolving beyond a store of value and into a more functional asset that can support complex financial instruments and decentralized applications. Next, let's talk about Onyx AI's breakthrough in on-chain AI. Onyx AI has made a major leap in on-chain AI performance. By refining quantization techniques and introducing cache type K, token generation speeds have doubled. The 135 million parameter model now delivers 40 tokens per call, while the 1.78 billion parameter model generates 3 tokens per call, which marks a substantial efficiency boost. These advancements are crucial for AI-powered decentralized applications that require real-time processing. The Proof of AI Work framework also benefits, which makes AI computations more cost-effective. With lower overhead and improved speed, AI within blockchain networks is becoming more scalable and practical, opening up new opportunities for DeFi, governance, and gaming apps. One key takeaway is that AI no longer needs to be solely reliant on centralized cloud providers. By integrating AI into blockchain networks, Onyx AI is proving that decentralized AI can not only exist but thrive. This also addresses concerns around data ownership and censorship, as AI models operating on blockchain are not controlled by a single entity. In the long run, this could challenge the dominance of traditional AI providers and introduce a new era of trustless machine learning. Next, let's discuss why David Del Busco is ditching Firebase for Juno. Firebase hosting's recent price hike has pushed developers to seek alternatives, and David is leading the way. After 6 years of using Firebase, he decided to migrate to Juno, which is his own project running on the Internet Computer blockchain. His decision, a projected $30 bill for a simple static site that previously cost far less. Juno offers a decentralized approach to hosting with significantly lower cost. Instead of paying for bandwidth usage, users only incur expenses for storage and state updates. The shift underscores a growing trend where developers are moving away from centralized solutions like Firebase in favor of blockchain-based alternatives that provide better ownership, lower cost, and enhanced decentralization. This move is part of a wider migration within the developer community. Increasingly, programmers are realizing that reliance on centralized services exposes them to sudden price hikes, arbitrary restrictions, and potential data privacy risk. By shifting to decentralized platforms like Juno, developers regain control over their applications and data, reducing dependence on tech giants that prioritize profit over user needs. Finally, let's talk about GoldDAO's latest decision to exit LBank and focus on DEXs. GoldDAO has taken a stand for decentralization. When LBank demanded a high fee just to update the token's name, the team chose to step away from the exchange entirely. Instead, they are focusing on strengthening liquidity on decentralized exchanges, reflecting a broader industry shift toward DeFi. Many projects in the internet computer ecosystem have bypassed centralized exchanges entirely, relying solely on DEX liquidity. GoldDAO's decision highlights the growing preference for community-driven governance and financial independence over centralized trading platforms. That's it for today's updates. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Ledger Life is powered by the community. If you would like to support us, check out the donation details in the description below.